What if I told you that in the race to build the most powerful AI, bigger isn't always better? For years, tech giants have been locked in an arms race: bigger datasets, larger models, more parameters. But now, Microsoft has thrown a curveball with its latest creation, a surprisingly small AI model that's outperforming giants like Meta's Llama 3. Could this mark the beginning of a new era where efficiency beats brute force? Let's break it down. Introduction to the landscape: we're living through a historic moment. Rarely do we see a general-purpose technology spread instantly and reshape industries overnight. But artificial intelligence is doing just that. Every company is rushing to release its flagship model, and until recently, size seemed to define success. The bigger the model, the more powerful it was expected to be. Meta made headlines with Llama 3, an open-source model so advanced it surpassed Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro in benchmarks. For an open-source model, that was a huge statement. Many thought Meta had set a new standard, but Microsoft had a different vision. Instead of building a massive model requiring insane computing power, they asked, what if we could achieve the same results or even better with something smaller, faster, and cheaper? The rise of Microsoft's Phi 3. Enter Microsoft's Phi 3 family of models. Don't let the size fool you. These models, especially the Phi 3 Mini, are rewriting the rules of AI performance. Despite being far smaller than Llama 3, Phi 3 consistently outperforms it on language, reasoning, coding, and even math benchmarks. And here's the kicker: it does all of this while being incredibly efficient. Phi 3 isn't just about raw power, it's about delivering smarter AI that works everywhere, from powerful servers to your smartphone. Why smaller models matter. So, why does this matter? First, cost. Running massive AI models is expensive. They require huge amounts of computing power, energy, and specialized hardware. Smaller models like Phi 3 Mini slash these costs dramatically. That means companies can deploy advanced AI without blowing through budgets. Second, accessibility. Smaller models can actually run on personal devices, your phone, your laptop, without needing to ping massive cloud servers. This means instant responses, lower latency, and better privacy since your data doesn't have to travel across the internet. Imagine real-time translation apps, advanced chatbots, or personal assistants that work seamlessly right on your device. Third, practicality. Many businesses don't need an AI that can digest the entire internet. They need tools trained for smaller, specific datasets: customer service logs, medical notes, financial data. For these use cases, smaller models like Phi 3 don't just work, they excel. How Microsoft pulled this off. So how did Microsoft manage to create a model that's both smaller and smarter? The answer lies in how they trained it. Instead of just dumping massive amounts of raw data into the model, Microsoft carefully curated training data. They removed irrelevant information like sports scores that doesn't contribute to reasoning or coding skills. They built a curriculum, much like how humans learn. Start with basics, then gradually move to more complex concepts. This structured approach gave Phi 3 not just knowledge, but the ability to reason more effectively. Phi 3 also pushes technical boundaries. Its context length is enormous, up to 128,000 tokens, on par with OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo. That means it can handle much longer conversations and far more complex tasks without losing track of context. And here's something mind-blowing. When reduced to just 4-bit precision, Phi 3 Mini requires only 1.8 gigabytes of memory. That's small enough to run on a smartphone. In fact, tests on an iPhone 14 within a 16 chip showed it could process over 12 tokens per second. That's fast enough for real-time applications like instant translation or smart note-taking apps. Head-to-head, Phi 3 vs Llama 3 now. Let's get to the real showdown: Microsoft's Phi 3 versus Meta's Llama 3. On benchmarks like MLU language comprehension and Mountbench, Phi 3 Mini doesn't just hold its ground, it beats Llama 3's lower-tier models outright. Even the mid-size Phi 3 models, though not the biggest players, score competitively against much larger eyes. The difference really shows up in advanced reasoning, problem-solving, and coding. Here, Llama 3 struggles while Phi 3 shines. It's like watching a lightweight boxer outmaneuver a heavyweight with speed and precision. The bigger picture: this is more than just a rivalry between Microsoft and Meta. It signals a shift in the entire AI industry. For years, progress was measured in billions of parameters and trillions of tokens. But Microsoft has proven that smarter design and better training can beat brute force. The future of AI may not belong to the biggest models, it may belong to the most efficient. Models that are powerful, affordable, and accessible to everyone. Imagine a world where advanced AI doesn't just live in giant data centers but runs on the phone in your pocket. That's the future Microsoft is pointing us toward with Phi 3. So here's the question, are we witnessing the end of the bigger is better era in AI? Will small, efficient models like Phi 3 reshape the industry, putting powerful AI into the hands of everyday users and small businesses? Or will the giants continue to dominate with their massive models? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you're fascinated by the race to build the future of AI, check out the video on screen right now for more insights.